When your Honeywell water heater displays 7 flashes on its status light, it's communicating a specific problem that needs your attention. The 7 flashes error code specifically indicates a gas control valve failure. This means the valve that controls gas flow to your water heater's burner is not functioning correctly. Your Honeywell water heater uses LED status lights to communicate different conditions. Normal operation shows a steady blue light, while red flashing patterns indicate specific error codes. The gas control valve is a critical component that regulates gas flow to the burner, controls ignition timing, and provides safety shutoff capabilities. When it fails, your water heater cannot operate safely. Gas control valve failure can result from several common issues: faulty internal components like coils or wires, debris buildup blocking gas passages, a failed thermopile that generates power for the valve, or flame sensor problems that prevent proper flame detection. When you see 7 flashes on your Honeywell water heater, the gas control valve requires immediate attention. While replacement is often necessary, some troubleshooting steps may resolve the issue before calling a professional. Before troubleshooting your Honeywell water heater, safety must be your first priority. Always turn off both the power supply and gas valve before beginning any work. First, check your gas supply. Ensure the main gas valve is fully open and test that other gas appliances in your home are working properly. Low gas pressure can cause combustion issues. Next, inspect the flame sensor. This component detects the presence of a flame during operation. If it's dirty or defective, it may not properly detect the flame, causing ignition failures. Try resetting the control valve by turning the gas control dial to the off position for 1 minute. This can sometimes clear temporary faults in the system. Check and clean the burner assembly. Debris, dust, or spider webs can interfere with proper ignition and combustion. Use compressed air or a soft brush to remove any obstructions. Inspect the gas control valve wiring for any loose connections or damaged wires. Poor electrical connections can prevent the valve from operating correctly. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to replace the gas control valve or just the control board. The control board replacement is often less expensive than replacing the entire valve. Remember, if you're unsure about any of these procedures or if the problem persists, always consult a certified technician. Gas appliance repairs require expertise to ensure safety and proper operation.